Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and we're really working on our outdoor seating area this year, so we needed an extra side table, and I'm really loving this one from Luxspire. It's really well made, and let me tell you a few other things about it that are great. So for one thing, it came with everything that you needed to put it together in the box, and it was really easy to put together. It took me about 20 minutes. The tool was there and everything, so you didn't need anything extra. I really also like that it's really quite heavy. It's made of a hard Trex decking material, and so really sturdy and well made. I would never think that the wind would come and take this table away or knock it down. Another thing that I like is that it has the lower shelf, so you could put some candles or something to do down there. And it also has plenty of room on the upper shelf, so that if you had a person sitting on each side of the table, they have plenty of room to put their glasses and maybe a small plate or two. And just really pretty, easy to use, nice and well made, and pretty color as well. And that's my point of view.